Hi all, this is Alkan Sarkar, and in today's Salesforce video I am going to show you how to modify fields on the activity component. So for this demo I am going to add a new field in the new task tab in the activity component. So let me begin this demo. First we have to create the new field that we want in the activity object. So first go to setup, and then in the object manager search for activity object. In this activity object go to fields and relationship and create a new field. I'm going to choose the new field as the date and click on next, and the field label I'm going to name it as start date, and I'm not going to click on this field is required for now, and clicking on next. I'll make it visible for all. You can choose the users that you want it to be visible only, and click on next and then save. So now we have created this field, that is the start date. Now we have to add this in the task option. So I will go to the object lead and I would create a new action for this, and clicking on new action. Action type is create a record. Target object would be the task, and for the label I want to write it as new task 2 and save. And as you can see start date is present over here. I'm going to drag it and put it above the due date and click it and save it. And now we have created a task with the name of new task. Now we have to add this task in the page layout of the lead object. Go to page layout in the lead object and click on lead layout. Now go to mobile and lightning action, and in this we can see that new task is present, and now we have to add this new task 2 in the Salesforce mobile and lightning experience actions. So drag this and put it before new task and remove the new task and save this page layout. Now we will see how the changes looks like. Go back to the lead page and refresh the page, and go to activity, and we can see that the start date has been added over here. Now since we know that new task has been assigned over here, what we will do is change the name of new task to yep. And now you can see that I have changed the name also as new task, and the start date is present. So I'm going to add a task in this. Let's say start date is going to be 1st and due date is going to be 3rd, and save. If you open this subject and save, and we have successfully created a task which has a start date over here. So as you can see that the start date is way below over here, so I'm going to change the page layout for the task also. So go to your object manager and go to task object and go to page layout in task object. Click on the task layout. Now if you can see the task information, start date is over at the below, so I'm going to drag it and put it right above due date and save this. Now refresh the task page and as you can see the start date is present before the due date. So similarly you can modify the fields in the activity component as I have shown you in this demo. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video.